Ceracoat ceramic, originally used in space technology, is a new and revolutionary ceramic coating for engines and gears for the highest demands. Ceracoat ceramic, Formula One technology to serve your engine. Ceracoat ceramic, the protection for your engine. Ceracoat ceramic, the ceramic coating for engines and gears based on ceramic. Ceracoat ceramic is directly added to the engine oil. The ceramic particles adhere to the metal parts of your engine by building a coating and so reduces friction. Optimal protection until 1,100 degrees. Ceracoat ceramic improves the power of your engine. Ceracoat ceramic is efficient for more than 30,000 miles. Ceracoat ceramic improves cold starts and reduces fuel consumption. Ceracoat ceramic reduces exhaust gas emissions. Do you want to protect your oil or your engine? Ceracoat ceramic is not just another additive, but a real ceramic coating for engines and gears. Ceracoat ceramic offers you a new engine. Ceracoat ceramic, the real ceramic coating for engines and gears.